Welcome to the SwiftScreen app. To begin, log in with your credentials. Select the class that you are screening in order to pull up the roster. Select the student you would like to screen, and then select the test you are performing. Follow the prompts and input your screening data as you conduct the test. Before submitting the test, take a moment to review the data on the screen and ensure that everything has been entered correctly. SwiftScreen uploads all completed tests to the cloud, which means whether you're screening as an individual or as part of a team, you will be able to see all completed tests in real time. Once a student has participated in all the assigned screenings, SwiftScreen will automatically move them into the completed list.